Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your own oil and save a lot of money. My name is Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. This is really heavy, so let's get right into it. Everything that you need to change your own oil, there's going to be a link in the description below. So this engine requires 5 quarts of the 5W20. You can find that information right here on the cap. Because this vehicle is nice and high off the ground, we don't need to raise it up. But if you do, you can buy a set of ramps and then drive the vehicle up on top of it. If you do that, please be careful. Put the parking brake on and your emergency brake on. So to catch all the oil, we're going to use this canister right here. The oil will just spill here and go inside this little hole. So underneath your car, there's an oil pin and a nut that's holding all the oil. Always remember to change your oil when your engine is nice and cool. Now we'll position our catch pan. This one requires 1/2 inch. Now that all the oil has been completely removed, go ahead and put the cap back on. And remember to tighten it back up. Make sure that it's nice and snug and don't over tighten it. Next, it's time to change out the oil filter. To get this off, you're going to need a special tool. And remember, oil is still inside this can. Now let's go ahead and screw in the new filter. I've already put oil inside of this. Let me tighten her up. With everything nice and tight down below, all we have to do now is add the oil. So after you add just a little bit, you want to go down below and see if any oil is leaking. If you're good to go, just add the rest of the oil. The bad oil now needs to go back inside this container, brought back to O'Reilly's, and they'll take it from you. Everything that I've used in this video, there will be a link in the description below. I don't see any leaks, so we're good. If you found this video to be helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.